Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPad and MacBook are updated and signed into the same Apple ID so AirPlay trusts both devices. Once done, join the same Wi-Fi network and turn on Bluetooth for discovery. On the Mac, open System Settings General AirPlay and Handoff and allow AirPlay for the display. On iPad, swipe to Control Center. Next, tap Screen Mirroring to list available devices so you can start the connection process. You now initiate the mirror. Open Control Center on your iPad and tap Screen Mirroring, then pick your MacBook from the device list. If the Mac shows a code, type it on the iPad to confirm the secure link. This prevents accidental connections. Once connected, adjust display options on the Mac if you want full screen or a windowed AirPlay receiver. Make sure audio routes correctly by checking the iPad audio output in Control Center and the Mac sound input and output set. To finish, tweak resolution and scaling in Mac display preferences for optimal clarity and decide whether to mirror or extend the iPad display. When you're done, stop mirroring from the iPad Control Center or click the AirPlay icon on the Mac to disconnect. If mirroring fails, restart both devices, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi and Apple ID, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls. This often resolves discovery issues. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth and repeat the pairing step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.